The last step for a better beauty results.
Wash your face after this one.
Okay. This is especially for all the women that take half baths. Ah! 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 Suck it! Suck it! Suck it! Ah! Uy! Uy! Suck it! Suck it! Suck it! Suck it! Ah! Suck it! Oh! 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 Is this to take? Oh, suck it! Is this for the pores or to take your hairs off your skin? Oh! Oh! I think you just shaved me. Ah! Suck it! Ow! It does hurt.
Go wash your face.
You could have done that a little more gentle. Just. Oh my god. So I rinse my face with soap or just water? You gotta let the viewers know. What are we doing here?
Go now.
So just with water?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna rinse it. You got wait, dry. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is.
Oh man. Oh my god. Oh baby. Oh baby, no. Oh my god. Oh. Hijo de su. You knew that was gonna be cold and you didn't tell me, huh? You knew. Oh my god. That feels super cold. Well, it's an ice cube, but after taking that mask off, it just feels like, man, it just feels like really cold. Wow. It feels really cold, like more than normal. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. It feels like numb. Wow. Now I believe the ice is taking all my pores away. Oh my god. This is not for kids. Definitely not for kids. Oh, are we done? Are we done with the torture? Oh my God, cover me. Oh my God, clean it. Oh yeah, you can just see me glowing now. Look at that. Does that just take the pores away or makes you cuter too? Ow. Are we done?
My phone.
Oh my God. That was... The ingredients are going to be in the description.
Faster na!
Here, hold it real quick.
Dugay kaayo.
Tukay kayo.
Oh.
No.
Slow lang, babe.
No, slow lang, nothing.
Slow lang.
So, she knew how I was gonna feel. She didn't tell me about that. No. And then she took the paper off by herself. All slowly. I'm about to get you with this. Come on, I got you like this. Come on. She knows she feels that. She know you feel the pain. This is what you do to me.
You're too much. Wait, I didn't do that.
But I'm taking out the pores.
I don't have pores, man. Go.
I can see your pores right here.
No, that's not for sister.
This is a pores.
I don't have pores, man. Go.
I can see. Another known method. Okay, the real way you go really gentle because this does burn. The ice will burn and you can feel the effect. How cool. Right here? Let me see. Oh my God. I should have got gloves. This is dangerous. Yeah.
Stop.
You can see all the pores right there. You see all that white stuff? That's black and white pores. That's what it does.
Black and white pores, you don't notice.
Yeah. Once the ice turns like this, the ice was clear. Once it's white like this, that's all it catches.
Really?
Yeah. I wasn't recording.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, no, it is recording.
Thank you.
Yeah.